please press the bell icon and never miss a video from the Aesthetic Clinics and Dr. Debraj Shome. The question that I've been asked today is the best advice that I can give anyone who's seeking rhinoplasty surgery. I want to talk about rhinoplasty surgery. It's a very, very important cosmetic procedure being performed nowadays. But the first and the foremost thing that everyone needs to understand is that rhinoplasty surgery needs to structurally strengthen the nose. There's no use of a nose which looks cosmetically great, but at the end of the day is not able to complete its main function of breathing. So it's important to temper your expectations and allow your doctor to go ahead and create a nose which is structurally strong and yet cosmetically appealing. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Dr. Debraj Shome. I'm a facial plastic surgeon. I trained in the United States, Singapore, Europe and India, and now currently I'm practicing in Mumbai, India. Facial plastic surgery is a specialty in which plastic surgeons train only in surgeries of the face. This is a very nascent specialty in India, and there are only 3 or 4 surgeons in the whole of India. Thank you for allowing us to participate in your case.
Thank you for listening. Do not forget to share, comment, like and subscribe to our videos from the Aesthetic Clinics and from Dr. Debraj Shome.